Konica Minolta Sensing's BC-10 baking contrast meter is a reliable, accurate colorimeter designed to measure the color of baked, fried, smoked, and processed food products. Whether it's bread, buns, cookies, crackers, or pastries, manufacturing food products continues to be a highly competitive business and an exacting science. Consumers want their baked goods to have a certain appearance, which is as important to the product as taste. During manufacturing and production, however, evaluating a sample's color by eye often leads to inconsistencies. To avoid the subjectivity and unreliability of visual assessments, a color measurement instrument is required. Konica Minolta's BC-10 helps establish and meet color specifications more efficiently, maintain consistency in each batch of material, and monitor the baking and production process more effectively. Before you begin measuring, simply turn on your instrument and perform white tile calibration. The BC-10 is easy to use. Place the instrument onto the product you want to measure and press the measurement button. As the BC-10 is designed to make contact with products, a measurement window is included to protect the meter from moisture, dust, and other contamination. When measurement is complete, you will hear a beep, see the light flash red, and view results immediately. There is no effect on measurement readings when a sample is covered with seeds, oats, or other toppings. Depending on specific procedures at a given location, random measurements of several samples or multiple readings of a single sample may be needed. Powered by battery or AC adapter, the BC-10 has two measuring modes: BCU and LAB. BCU, or Baking Contrast Unit, measures the lightness and darkness of baked goods. BCUs run from darkest, 0, to lightest, 5.25. Each change to 1/10 of the BCU equals one discernible shade to the human eye. In LAB mode, the BC-10 will display the lightness and colorimetric coordinates. These measurement modes are used to evaluate the color characteristics of a sample and identify inconsistencies. The BC-10 takes as many measurements as required and can store up to 16 readings at a time. Instantly review results on the instrument, upload to a computer, printer, or a storage device. For more information, please visit sensing.konicaminolta.us or call our toll-free number at 888-473-2656.